5 Pro or LITO X1? We'll do a head-to-head comparison. Is Pro worth it? I'll do some blind testing so you can guess which one is which, and well, if you guess, you deserve to eat a cookie. Maybe also drink some nice orange juice or tomato juice if it's your thing. What do you think? Is the Mini 5 Pro worth it? Is the DJI LITO X1 enough? Like, is it enough for you? Or is the rolling axis for Mini 5 Pro actually worth the monies? I think it is, but also it depends on your situation. If you are willing to sacrifice many hours to actually master the rolling axis manually, yeah, this what do you think? Because I think both of these drones are really great. LITO X1 is budget friendly, affordable, it's beginner friendly, as well as Mini 5 Pro is also beginner friendly, and well, depends on the situation, also affordable, because well, it's so powerful, the sensor is bigger, the image quality should be noticeably better, but well, you will be able to judge that. I haven't yet seen the footage side by side, so I cannot tell, but yeah. I'm very surprised about the technologies these days, how far have they come. So thanks to DJI Baltics for supporting the channel. Also huge thanks to Freewell. I did use Freewell ND filters here to get that shutter speed properly correct. Also, one thing I can mention about the LITO X1, if you're getting the LITO X1, I would strongly suggest to get it with the RC, with the controller with the screen. The sticks are not as smooth and fluid. See you in the next video.